insightful event, and this was about how we can reconnect with Mother Earth, and I think it really helped me kind of reconnect with my own way of how I feel towards the environment.
It was absolutely life-changing to hear the different viewpoints on inside out and vibrations that are so important for us to make this world a better place.
John Donne put it really well here 300, 400 years ago when he spoke about no man is an island. No creation, no element of creation can be independent of each other. And so the celebration of the notion of a common spiritual existence and a common existence, in a sense, is very much interconnected. You cannot, in other words, separate the religious idea or the idea of spirituality from the idea of conservation or preservation of the environment. They are, in other words, two sides, not even two sides, the same side of the same coin. You don't have to turn the coin over to come up with the idea that this is necessary for all of us.
So the event today was about environment and connecting with the Mother Nature, and the key essence of that was how spirituality helps us connect with Mother Nature.
We look after Mother Nature, then we can look after the well-being of humankind. So I think it's quite an important point in time when it is we have these initiatives taking speed. So I really look forward to the future and what I can do myself to contribute to these various projects.
I had a very good time here. I thoroughly enjoyed the talks from both Ody-Marc and Sister Jayanti. And I think the one point I would take away from today is the very special relationship that humans have with the environment and vice versa.
It was very inspiring and very moving to see that even if we don't have the same culture, the same religion, we have the same values and we work towards the same goals. So that's very moving and my heart is filled with happiness.
Well, I think it's the shared understanding that, in fact, that everything is a matter of consciousness. And consciousness is connected to gratitude. And gratitude, I think, is the solution for many, many problems, so to speak. And I really feel that we need to overcome the feeling of that we cannot find solutions. So this idea of empowerment, I took with me.
I think what Sister Jayanti said at the end, inside out, is a very powerful phrase, and we have a very positive attitude towards changing and adapting our lifestyle to protect and preserve it for future generations, then we will then see that be replicated and reflected in the future.